Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and lifestyle. Today, we're reviewing a product that many of you might find handy for your next getaway or daily routine, the Elviros Travel Toiletry Bag for men. Let's dive into the details of this versatile bag and see how it stacks up. The Elviros Travel Toiletry Bag is designed for those who want a reliable and organized way to store their toiletries. Made from PU leather with a water-resistant nylon lining, this bag aims to keep your essentials safe from moisture. With dimensions of 12-inch by 6.7-inch by 7.1-inch, it promises ample space for your items without being too bulky. The standout feature of this bag is its wet separation design. The two outside compartments are specifically made to keep wet items like towels or swimsuits away from your dry clothes. It's an ideal feature if you're traveling to the beach or dealing with damp gym gear. You also won't have to worry about a spilled bottle of shampoo ruining your clothes, as the bag's water-resistant construction helps protect its contents. Now, as for the build quality, this toiletry bag is constructed from PU leather, which gives it a sleek and premium feel, but it's also very durable. The premium zipper and reinforced seams add to its sturdiness, making it a solid choice for frequent travelers. The design is practical with multiple interior pockets, providing enough space for all your toiletry needs while keeping them organized. Speaking of practicality, this bag also comes with a waterproof drawstring pocket to store shoes, dirty clothes, or anything else that needs to stay dry. It's a great feature if you're on the go and need to keep your items separated. But how does it perform in the real world? During my testing, I found the Elviros Travel Toiletry Bag to be quite spacious and easy to use. The double zipper design made accessing the contents easy, no struggling with zippers, as it opens fully for easy access. The bag's water-resistant properties lived up to expectations, keeping the contents dry even when exposed to moisture. The wet-dry separation worked well in practice, ensuring that damp items like towels or toiletries didn't mix with the dry items. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The bag's size is a little larger than what you might need for a weekend trip, so if you prefer something more compact, this might feel bulky. Also, while the PU leather looks great, it might not be as durable over time as other higher-end materials. When it comes to value for money, the Elviros Travel Toiletry Bag offers a lot for the price. The material feels high quality, the design is practical, and the added features, like the waterproof shoe bag and wet separation, set it apart from many other toiletry bags in the market. For those who travel often or need a reliable toiletry organizer, it provides solid value. In comparison to similar products, you might find other toiletry bags that offer similar capacity or features, but few match the design and water-resistant properties of this one at its price point. While some competitors might have more premium materials, the Elviros bag still holds its own in terms of functionality and overall usability. Looking at the build quality, the PU leather is a nice touch, but if you're looking for a bag that can handle extreme wear and tear, you may want to consider something made from more rugged materials. That said, it's still well constructed and should last for many trips to come. Now, if you haven't interacted with the brand's customer service, I can tell you that their reputation for providing solid support is well established, though I didn't have to contact them personally for any issues during my testing. As for product alternatives, if you're looking for a more compact option or one made with different materials, there are cheaper alternatives that offer similar functionality, though you might lose out on some of the unique features this bag provides, like the waterproof shoe compartment or the wet-dry separation. To sum it up, the Elviros Travel Toiletry Bag is a reliable choice for those looking for an organized and practical solution to travel toiletry storage. It performs well in real-world scenarios, especially with its wet separation and water-resistant construction. If you're after something larger with a premium feel that doesn't break the bank, this could be the right fit for you. Don't forget to give us a like if you found this review helpful, and hit that bell icon for more reviews like this. And of course, subscribe to Beautyistic if you haven't already. Thanks for watching today's review. If you have any questions, or if you've already used the Elviros Travel Toiletry Bag, drop a comment below to share your experience. You can find the link to grab your own in the comments box as well. Until next time, stay organized and travel with ease. Goodbye, and take care till next time with Beautyistic.